Protect all computers in your organization by backing them up to the cloud from anywhere. Sign in to the web application and click the Enable Backup icon for the required computer. In the pop-up window, click Enable Backup to configure the computer. The backup agent will be downloaded and installed on your computer. Once the computer is configured, it will be backed up as per the default backup plan. To manage backup for the computer, click the Remote Backup icon and select Manage Backup. To uninstall the backup agent, click Remove Backup Agent. Go to Backup and under Computer Backup, open the Devices tab to view the backup status, last backup time, and space used for all the configured computers. You can modify the default backup plan or create a new one from the Backup Plan tab. Click Create Plan. Hover over the default plan name to rename it. Enter a new name and click Save. To add computers or groups, click Add and select Devices or Groups from the All Devices or Groups tab. To specify backup items, click Specify, and from the Using Policy Rules drop-down list, select Items. Click Customize to add items to the backup set. Choose Cloud Storage or Local Storage as the backup destination. Set the backup schedule preferences and click Create. Use the Settings tab to manage remote backup alerts, settings, remote update of the application, network, CPU throttle, and periodic cleanup.